So when you talk about diversity, it's really diversity of thought, diversity of the staff that we're bringing in.
Diversity helps Nordson Medical remain competitive because it brings different people with different thought processes together and really kind of takes, you're trying to come up with an idea or a solution and you again come up with something that's a very innovative idea that maybe you wouldn't come up with if you didn't have a diverse workforce.
It's just not minorities or females, it's people that come from diverse backgrounds as well to bring that diverse thought within our organization.
Women in Manufacturing is a group that is based out of Ohio, and their goal is to get more women involved in manufacturing and to provide an environment that supports women in manufacturing.
Being the sponsor of Women in Manufacturing for Nordson Medical, I think brings that awareness that there is an organization out there for women in manufacturing, and also that Nordson really promotes women in the manufacturing industry and wants women to be working in some of those areas that they're not so prominent in.
Nordson being a sponsor of Women in Manufacturing brings all its employees access, which is the first step, right? You can go to monthly webinars. You can sign up for those. They're about an hour long and they cover a variety of topics. Some of them professional, some of them more personality related, and some of them are actually more just how to deal with personal items. You also get access to different conferences that they put on. So this past September, I had the opportunity to attend the Women in Manufacturing Summit in Denver, and I thoroughly enjoyed that experience. I came back from that conference with a lot of confidence. And then there's items that I took away from that conference that I was able to apply just in how I handle myself on a day-to-day job. And I would thoroughly recommend it to anybody that has the opportunity to go, even for just one day.
It's a great place, again, to network. You meet a lot of women that are in different industries, and you meet also a lot of men that really are supporting women and trying to get them into these leadership roles and into manufacturing, because there are, again, not many women in manufacturing. We see more and more today, but it's still a male-dominated industry. What advice I would give to other professionals who want to be an advocate for women in manufacturing? There are so many ways to do that. You can join Women in Manufacturing itself to help support those women. There's also local chapters that we have in Women in Manufacturing. A lot of different states have local chapters that you can be involved in. There's the annual summit that you can also join, and then there's also these leadership labs. There's the Women in Leadership Lab, along with some other leadership programs that they have as well. I would encourage people to go on the Women in Manufacturing website and kind of look around and see what opportunities are available. There is a lot of opportunities that would help, if you want to support those women in your manufacturing industry.
Unless you've been taught it before, it can be astonishing what it will do in your personal and professional lives.
Our ultimate goal is to continue to improve, be best in class, do things better, do things more efficient. Diversity is a strong play in that.
WIM is a great place to start.